Hi YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a little tutorial on how to style knotless braid. So in today's video I'm just going to be showing you guys like different styles, about five styles on how to style your knotless braids. Forgive my braids, I've had them for like 3 weeks now and I don't even know why, but I'm just going to show you guys some ways you can style your knotless braid, and some of them are going to be like a lazy tutorial, like just throw on and go. It's not really an in-depth tutorial. So without further ado let's get right into the video. So the first style we're going to be doing is And my personal fave, my go-to for everywhere I go once my hair starts getting rough. I don't know why, but I just feel like caps just adds a little zing to your outfit. So this is it. This is the laziest way to style your hair, but I just love this one. I love this. I love caps. I love sneakers. Okay. Then last but not least, scarf. So there are different ways to style your hair, your braids, and if you want to see more of the ways to style your braids, your knotless braids and all that, leave a comment in the comment section. Maybe if you want part 2 or you want to see more ways. Yeah, that's a part 2 now. We'll do that in another video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.